Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Patriot Bank account for high interest savings. I recently went through the process of trying to figure out where to put my cash at Patriot Bank to earn the most interest, and here's what I discovered. It's not a single high-yield savings account, in the way some online banks offer, but rather a choice between a couple of accounts depending on how much money you have. The two main options I found are the money market account and the star savings account. When I looked at their rates, the money market account seems to offer the most competitive interest rates, especially if you have a larger balance. The rates are tiered, meaning the more money you keep in the account, the higher the annual percentage yield, or APY, you earn. For me, that was the biggest draw. More money equals better returns, without locking up my funds like a CD. It also offers some flexibility, though you need to be mindful of maintaining a certain average daily balance to avoid a monthly fee. If you're serious about high yield and have a substantial balance, this is the one I ultimately focused on. However, the star savings account is another option, though it is usually tied to having a star checking account. The tiered rates here also get better with a higher balance. The main benefit, in my opinion, is the relationship banking aspect. If you are already planning to do your everyday checking with Patriot Bank, linking everything up with a star banking relationship might give you a slightly better overall deal. But you need to hit an aggregate minimum balance across those linked accounts. So, here's my takeaway based on my own choice. If your primary goal is maximizing the interest rate on a significant cash reserve, and you want easy access without tying it to a checking relationship, the money market account is likely the best fit for that high-yield savings purpose. You get the higher tiered rates on your balance and the flexibility of a money market account. If you are committed to a full banking relationship with Patriot Bank and can meet the minimum balance requirement across your checking and savings, the Star Savings account might work out well as part of that bigger package. Always remember that interest rates are variable and change frequently, so check Patriot Bank's current rate sheets. But for pure high-interest potential, look closely at how the money market tiers apply to your balance. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.